You just bought a brand new car. Maybe it's financed, maybe it's leased. Either way, you're paying hundreds of dollars a month. Then one day, flat tire. You pop the trunk, nothing. No spare, no jack, not even space for one, just carpet. And here's the kicker. This isn't an accident. Your car was designed to leave you stranded and cost you money. Stick around because this one hidden cost of owning a car could hit your wallet harder than you think. Car manufacturers removed spare tires on purpose. Why? 3 reasons. 1. Weight. Every pound cuts fuel economy and EV range. Those numbers matter, especially if you care about monthly gas or electricity bills. 2. Space. Modern cars, especially EVs, use that trunk space for batteries. Your spare? Gone. 3. Money. Each missing spare saves the manufacturer $60 to $100 per vehicle. Multiply that across millions of cars, billions saved. And guess who ends up paying when trouble strikes? You. Here is what you are getting instead. Option 1, run flat tires. Can drive about 50 miles after a puncture. Expensive to replace, $200 to $500 each. Not every shop can handle them. Option 2, tire repair kit. Works for minor punctures, not blowouts or sidewall damage. Be keen, sealant can ruin your TPMS sensor. It's a costly fix. Option 3, nothing. Just a sticker that says, call roadside assistance. Basic insurance roadside coverage, usually 1 tow per year with distance limits. If you're stuck 40 miles from help, that's $150 to $400 out of pocket. If you're buying a new car right now, this is one question you must ask at the dealership. Does this trim include a spare tire? Can I add one? What's my tire and roadside coverage? Most buyers skip this. Don't be one of them. One flat tire could turn into a hundreds of dollars disaster, the kind your monthly payment won't cover. Save yourself and do this. Step 1. Check your car right now. Pop the trunk, look under the vehicle, and see what you actually have. Step 2. Buy a compact spare kit if you don't have one. Around $75 to $150, a small price compared to one surprise tow. Step 3. Upgrade your roadside assistance plan. Basic plans start at around $60 a year for unlimited 5-mile tows. Upgrade tiers to cover long-distance tows, tire changes, and more, often cheaper than a single tow. Step 4. This is for EV owners. Ask about manufacturer mobile service options. Tesla, Rivian, and others offer technicians that come to you, but only if you know your coverage before disaster strikes. So, car manufacturers made a simple calculation. Save money, cut weight, reduce space, and let you pay the price. Now you know. Don't let a missing spare tire cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars. If this saved you from a potential $400 disaster, hit like and subscribe. It helps the channel. And if you want to uncover the other hidden costs dealers never mention before you buy, check out the next video.